Page 27. Pronunciation. Exercise 3A. Listen.
Kitchen.
Today.
Apartment.
Beautiful.
Now listen and repeat.
Kitchen.
Today.
Apartment.
Beautiful.
Page 27. Pronunciation. Exercise 3B. Listen. 1,
Garage.
2,
Closet.
3,
Parent.
4,
Office.
5,
Balcony.
6.
Tomorrow.
Now listen and repeat.
Garage.
Closet.
Parent.
Office.
Balcony.
Tomorrow.
Page 27. Pronunciation. Exercise 3C.
It's a beautiful apartment.
It has a great kitchen, but no closets.
It has a balcony, but no garage.
Page 29. Pronunciation. Exercise 3A. Listen.
Bus stop.
Shopping center.
Drugstore.
Supermarket.
Now listen and repeat.
Bus stop.
Shopping center.
Drugstore.
Supermarket.
Page 29. Pronunciation. Exercise 3B. Listen. 1,
A coffee shop.
2,
A great restaurant.
3,
A big room.
4,
A living room.
5,
A gas station.
6.
A new house.
Now listen and repeat.
A coffee shop.
A living room.
A gas station.